Madre de cacao leaf extract.
Good day everyone! For today's video, we will make our organic pesticide from Madre de cacao leaf extract. So I'm Rian Lagpas.
I'm Jeneline Lastre. I am Shirley Lady Galasio. I am Female Dizon. I'm Katrina Biliran. I'm Mela Judy Andy.
I'm Ray La Victoria. I'm Julie Mundo.
We are from Group 1 from AP3B.
Materials needed: Madre de cacao leaves, blender, plastic bottle, strainer, separate the leaves from the stems. Madre de cacao is a nitrogen-fixing tree. In some areas, it is referred to as a quick stick due to its characteristic of growing almost right away just by cutting it and directly planting it in the ground. It is a fast-growing tree with a maturity height of 10 meters, 33 feet. It is adaptable to almost any soil environment. Grind the Madre de cacao leaves using blender and put water. When the Madre de cacao already blend, transfer it in a clean pitcher. Strain the Madre de cacao blended and stir using spoon. After stirring, transfer it in a clean bottle. The best time to do it is from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock in the morning and from 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock in the afternoon. These times, worms and pests are coming out from the leaves, making the solution more effective. Thank you for watching.